Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing review. Today we have this pendant light, so we're gonna open it. As you can see, it comes with all the instructions. Here a little bit of the screws that we're gonna use. Comes really well packaged, all kind of protection. And look, this is the pendant light. You can see it's all with a sealed bag. Gonna put it here. Okay, and the height is adjustable. We're gonna check that in a while. So that's all. This is all we're gonna use. As you can see, it's very simple. So let's gonna do it. So as you can see, installing this industrial LED pendant light is quick and straightforward, with clear instructions and all hardware included. Setup is simple and tool-free. The adjustable hanging cable lets you easily to set the perfect height, up to 93 inches, whether for a kitchen island, dining room, or foyer. Once installed, the gunmetal gray finish and clear glass shade make a striking statement even when turned off. And when powered on, the dual lighting LED design delivers both upward ambient glow and downward task lighting. Fully dimmable, it shifts seamlessly from bright illumination to a soft, warm 3K atmosphere, perfect for any mood or occasion. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the pendant light. It's a very beautiful design. As you can see, this is in off and this is on. It has a warm light. If you want it higher, you just need to adjust this little cable, or if you want it lower, you can do that as well. So well guys, this is it. I hope you liked it. See you guys.